Let's see this question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equal to AD is equal to 10. So it is given that this is some quadrilateral in which side AB is equal to side AD, which is 10 and 10. And BC is equal to CD, other set of pair of other lines. That is, this and this are also equal. So it is given that BC is equal to CD and these lengths are 5 and 5. Let's just join this line. This is the diagonal. Now, it is asked which of the following can be the measure of angle VAD. So, I know it is given that it's a general quadrilateral and side AB is equal to AD, which is equal to 10 units, and BC is equal to CD, which is given as 5 units. Now, I have to find that what can be the measure of this angle BAD. So, let's just check the option number A. Option A is 90 degree. Can this angle be 90 degree? Okay, let's assume that if angle BAD is equal to 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, I know the measure of this diagonal BD. This diagonal BD will be, this BD will be, I know this is 10, 10. So it will be, I know the ratio. Or using Pythagoras, I can find this side, which is 10 root 2. It will be 10 root 2. Now, using the property of triangle that sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, I know this relation contradicts. Why? In this triangle BCD, I know the sum of side BC plus CD is equal to 10, which must be greater than the third side. But third side is greater than 10, which is not possible. So, if I take angle as 90 degree, it is not possible. So, this